Today, we're diving into the camera shake transition, a powerful way to add energy and movement to your edits. Let's jump right in. Start by adding two clips to your timeline and placing them back to back. These will form the foundation for our transition. Next, head over to the effects library in the top left corner of the edit page. Navigate to video transitions and locate the camera shake transition under this section. Drag and drop the camera shake transition onto the first clip, right where the two clips meet. This will create the illusion of a shake as the first clip transitions into the second. With the transition applied, click on the clip and open the inspector panel. Under the transitions tab, you'll find a variety of settings to customize the shake, including shake speed, adjusts how quickly the shake occurs. Shake strength controls the intensity of the shake, contrast, brightness, and saturation. These sliders allow you to fine tune the visual impact during the shake, giving you control over the look of the transition. Refraction adds a glass like distortion to the shake, making it more dynamic. You'll also find a motion blur checkbox to enable realistic blur during the shake. Once checked, you can control the shutter angle to define how intense or smooth the motion blur appears. Experiment with the other settings to create the perfect effect for your project. And that's it. You've successfully created a camera shake transition in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for action sequences, music videos, or any project that needs a burst of energy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DaVinci Resolve tips.